Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a custom fonts in Roblox. So first thing I want to do is open up a Bloxstrap or download it. You will need Net6 desktop runtime. All you need to do is just click on this. It will automatically download and you just need to run this setup. And once you're back here, just click on the Bloxstrap. You got to save that and you can just double click this running right here. So here is where you can mod your stuff, but the fonts will be in the mods right here. So basically what y'all want to do is go get font from the font or something like that. And once you do that, you can basically just go here, do your downloads, and you want to extract it. Just hit like this, just press extract all. And once you have the file open, go ahead and click choose font and open up the folder, and it should be TTF or OTF file. Just click on that and press install. Just wait for it to load. Yeah. And so now you will have the font on your front page. It's that easy. So once you load up any game right now, you're going to see that it has the font. So let me just show you how I'm going to go to catalog avatar, and you can see it's loaded up with the font. So that's basically how you do it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.